What is going on, traders? Welcome back to the Traveling Trader. In this video, we will be discussing Tesla, how to trade Tesla before earnings. You guys love these videos when I do them. I do them usually for Neo, Tesla, and Apple. But in this video, we're going to be focusing specifically on Tesla. I will give you a little bit of an update as to my penny stocks. That is another avenue that you guys are loving so far, are the penny stock videos that I do. I never thought I'd be doing videos on penny stocks, even though I trade them on my own. But I never thought that the public was that interested in them. However, we made an absolute killing on Alpine, American Battery Metals Corporation, Express, which was the last video. Go check that out. And it popped an insane amount today. It hit our $4 target already. That thing was trading at just $1 a few days ago. So we 4x'd our money in a few days. And go back and watch that video if you want my analysis on why I chose EXPR, why I thought it was due for a pop. But if you get anything out of this video, leave it a big fat thumbs up just like this. Leave it in the comment section below. Let me know if you are trading Tesla, how you are trading Tesla leading up to earnings. And if you want access to all of my trades, including all of those penny stocks that I just went over, link is in the description below. I also sent out my trade for Tesla today. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So Tesla is slated to report earnings this Wednesday, the 27th. And they are looking to report after market close. Now, looking at the chart, here's what I think is going to happen. I think Tesla is going to see a little bit of a run up here. We already started that run up today, hitting highs that we saw back in the first week of January. I do think it's very possible that within the next couple of days, we cross that 900 threshold. But I don't think we significantly get beyond where we are now. As in, I don't think that, you know, you're going to see significant gains from where Tesla closed today, which was 880. So if you are a long-term holder, yes, you could just continue to dollar cost average, obviously. But in terms of specific trades due to earnings, I don't think that you're going to make a ton by buying Tesla here. So I personally would not buy Tesla here if all you're doing is trying to play earnings. That is not it's too high risk for a binary event where I don't think we'll see a lot of upside. See, Tesla already announced its delivery numbers as other vehicle manufacturers do, so they don't surprise everybody on earnings. They tell you how many vehicles they sold. So what we'll be looking at for Tesla out of this earnings is what their guidance looks like, what they expect to sell for the rest of 2021. And Elon Musk already confirmed that the RBC analyst who predicted Tesla would ship between 825,000 and 875,000 million. This is a typo. Not million. Between 825 and 875,000 for the full year. Elon said that that analyst was not that far off and that they're expecting between 840,000 and a million. So unless they actually announce something groundbreaking, I actually don't think Tesla is going to jump that far in their stock. It might even be stagnant. If you look at the last earnings, actually, let's take a look at the chart here. But if you look at the last earnings, you'll see that Tesla was trading range bound, kind of like it is now. And really, during the last earnings, it saw some stagnation, you know, up days and down days leading up to earnings, and then a drop off a few days after earnings. That's what I think is going to happen here. So the best way that I think we will play this, and by the way, this could be a potential double top here, by the way, which is, you know, a slightly bearish sign. The perfect way that I think we should play this is utilizing what's called an iron condor. An iron condor is an option strategy where you're creating a range. I've talked about this before. And all you're doing is making sure that is betting that Tesla is going to fall within that range. And if it does, then you keep 100% of the money that you sold the iron condor for. So I'll do it this time in Robinhood because I'm always on Thinkorswim, and I know that a lot of you use Robinhood. So I'll do this example on Robinhood. But what I did was I basically created an iron condor with a range of $800 and $950. So Tesla has to finish somewhere in between there, and you get to keep 100% of the money. So what you would do on an iron condor, it's really made up of two credit spreads, a call credit spread and a put credit spread. So let's start on the put side, which is going to be the lower end of that range. So on the put side, you're going to sell the 800, you're going to buy the 795, and that creates the credit put spread, right? The credit put vertical spread. Now we go to the call side, and I'm playing the 950, 955 call spread, right? So let us buy the, where's the 955 at? Hold on. Okay, so let's buy the 955, and then we sell the 950. And here you could see that Robinhood already recognizes it as an iron condor, and we can sell this for a credit of 228. Now, what is your max loss on this? Well, the max loss is the value of the spread minus what you got paid for it. In this case, the value of this iron condor, the max value is $5 because the width of either spread, the credit spread or the debit or the credit put spread or the credit call spread, the width of it is $5 on each side. So the max value that this contract can be is $5, and we're collecting $228 for it. So $5 minus $228 is $222. So that is the max that we can lose is $2.22. And the max that we can gain is $2.28. Obviously, you have to multiply it by 100 because each options contract deals with 100 shares. So the max that we can gain per contract is $228. If Tesla falls above 955 or below 795, then we lose $222. I really like our chances with this play. I think that based on Tesla's chart, as I said, and what I think it's going to do, probably it could cross just slightly above 900. It could stagnate a bit. It could go up and down, kind of in the same way that we did in the last earnings where we had, you know, a really nice run up before earnings. I do think that the iron condor will be good. Now, if Elon announces something completely unexpected and out of the blue, then obviously that could affect the stock price and we could likely see a run up. So playing these binary events is always a guess. I could completely be wrong and I'm okay with that. It's just that based on the information that we have now, to me, this is the best play. One other thing you can do is wait until earnings are announced and then go from there. So if earnings are announced and Tesla stock price rockets up, well, then you could sell a credit call spread. Like say Tesla stock price goes to 950 after earnings. You could then sell a ridiculously priced credit call spread. Say you could sell like the 1050, 1060 call spread on Tesla, something that it is likely not going to reach in the short term, and vice versa. If Tesla drops after earnings significantly, you could do a whole number of things besides buying the shares at a discount. You can sell the credit put spread, right, which basically creates a floor. So let's say that Tesla drops to 800. Well, you could potentially sell something really cheap like the 495, 500 credit put spread that expires a few months out. You can also sell cash secured puts, which I did a whole video on here, right? If you plan on owning 100 shares of Tesla, you could sell cash secured puts. You can also dollar cost average and buy the shares cheaply. So you don't have to play earnings. You can wait. But for me, the best and only earnings play right now is something neutral like an iron condor. Anyway, traders, that is it for this video. If you got anything out of this video, leave it a big fat thumbs up just like this. Sign up if you want access to all of our trades. Link is in the description below. Again, I sent out trades on all the penny stocks that I did videos on: Express, ABML, ALPP, and bingo, yes, BNGO, as well as some of the other large caps like Tesla, etc., Facebook, whatever. So sign up if you want access to that group. We have almost 3,000 traders in the group right now. Very vibrant group. We talk trades all day long, 5 days a week, 7 days a week if you count crypto. Leave a comment down below. Let me know how you're playing Tesla. Let me know if you learn anything out of these, the option plays that I go through, if you get something out of them, because I'll keep doing it. A lot of you ask me what that little join button means at the bottom of the video. That's just to support the channel, but I do throw you guys trade alerts every now and again. Obviously, you don't get the full gamut of all the trade alerts, but I do send you guys a few plays just as a way to say thank you. So if you're not looking to join the trading group and you want to support the channel and get a few trade alerts in the process, then click that little join button. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell. Stay safe out there, traders. Peace.